In this video, I'll show you how to create 3D images like this with Bing AI for free, step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So but before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Yaku. If you are brand new to this channel and you love AI content like this, consider to hit on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post content about AI topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create 3D images like this using AIBing.com or for free without any stress. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your browser. Then you come to the top right here, and what you need to do is to type in Bing and press enter. Then click on the first result right here, Bing.com. This is going to pump out. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on images. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Now the next thing you want to do is that you need to come and click on join and create. Then click on sign in. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create with any email or Gmail or phone. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create one. So right here there are different options you can use to create a free account with Microsoft. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then right here enter your name. So after having entered your username, you come here, choose the option, is that Outlook or Hotmail? So I'm going to leave it on outlook.com. Then I'm going to come here and click on next. So the email is already exist. So let me add 2024. Then Outlook and click on next. So at this point here, we need to enter the login password. So you have to create your login password. So having entered your login password, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next, then click on got it. Then right here you have to enter your first name, your last name, then click on next. Then choose your country right here and choose your date of birth, then choose your year, then come down below right here, click on next. Then the security question right here, so just click on next. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand, 1 of 5. Okay, then click on submit. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So we can use this one. Then we click on submit. So the same options. So this one here, this one here. Then we click on submit. Then we can use this one right here. Okay, submit. So the very last one, so we can use this one right here. Good, submit. So verification complete. So we can click on sign in to synchronize right here. Then enter your login password. Then click on sign in. Then click on next. Welcome back, friends. So after creating an account with Microsoft Bing, next thing you want to do is to come to this column right here, and we make sure we write our prompt. I have my prompt already, which I'm going to just press Ctrl V to paste my prompt right here. You can also check the description of this video for this particular tutorial prompt. After you have pasted your prompt or you type your prompt in the column right here, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Boom. So you can see the result right here. Next thing we want to do is to download these images. For us to download this image, what we want to do is to make sure we click on the image link. So next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on download right here. Then we can swipe here to download more image. Then we click on download. Then we can click on here to check more image. Then we click on download. Then we can click on here to close this pump up. Then from the point here, we can modify our prompt right here and generate more image. Okay, so I'm going to change from red chiffon to blue. So right here, I will write blue. So I will make sure I change the boy to blue also. I will leave the red rose. The guy wearing blue also. So we're going to change from red to blue, then blue hoodie and white pants. We can still maintain the white color of the pants. The background is a white with red with scatter heart, happy Valentine Day banner. So we come here now and click on create. So let's see the result. Beautiful. So you can see the result right here. So we can click on here to start download the image. Then we click on download. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to use text to image on AI Bing step-by-step tutorial without any stress. For this particular tutorial prompt, consider to check the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.